Last week, California became the first state in the nation to enact a new law to protect and inform consumers about ingredients and dangerous chemicals in cleaning products. Joining us this morning, Alan Bell. He's an environmental lawyer, health advocate, and author of the book Poison. Good morning.
Good morning, Jessica. Glad to be back.
Great to have you here this morning. So tell us, for I think many of us that didn't know this new law, was even happening, what is the new California law regarding cleaning products?
Well, this is an amazing thing, a development.
Yeah.
Last week, the legislature just came out with a new law. And what it basically says is that all cleaning products that contain chemicals that are harmful to human health, they need to disclose them on the labels of the packaging that you're buying on cleaning products. This is a groundbreaking thing.
Right.
We're the first state in the country that's done this. Expect other states to follow this. It's really amazing.
So when we look at this table full of really common things that most of us use, how widespread is something like this as far as how dangerous some of these chemicals are, and how will it affect the consumer?
Well, it's very widespread, and that's why consumers are concerned.
Yeah.
Mothers want to protect themselves and their families. That's why this green market is booming. There's a lot of money that's going from conventional products to green products. And the more consumers are informed about what they're buying, the more green products are going to be purchased and supplied.
And I'm sure, if people own a business and maybe they use a lot of this stuff, how will it affect businesses?
Actually, it's going to affect everybody. It's a win-win situation for business. It's a win-win situation for our economy and for the health and for the workers and for all the people that are living in their homes.
All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's talk about the kitchen, Alan, and the products that we normally use in our kitchen.
Okay, well, this is a typical cleaner in the kitchen. It's Comet. And it says, warning, irritates eyes, skin, lungs, but doesn't reveal why, because there's no ingredients listed.
Okay.
Now, this new law is going to stop that. It's going to list all the ingredients so you could see what chemicals are irritating your eyes.
And then what the cause of those chemicals are. Because
exactly.
And I asked Ellen this, I said, well, are they going to outlaw these products? She said, no, they're just going to tell you what is in it and you make the choice.
That's right. You're an informed consumer. And the beauty of this law is when you arm people with knowledge and they walk into a supermarket for the first time and they compare side by side, they have the power to bring home what they want to expose their family to in their own homes.
Okay, what else we got?
Okay, so this is the alternative to Comet.
Yeah.
This is 5 simple ingredients, natural ingredients, no warning signs, no call poison control signs. It's simple, and it's just as effective.
Now, when we move on to the laundry, how will that change?
Laundry. Okay, this is Tide.
Yeah.
Everybody knows about Tide. Okay, it says irritates eyes, warning control if swallowed. But what's in this that's causing you to have to call warning control if you swallow it? We don't know. There's no ingredients in here. But in contrast to that, this is a green product. It has no added dyes or fragrances. And it lists every single ingredient. And there's no need to call poison control.
Right, and again, you have the choice if you want one or the other. And then as we talk about living room and the bathroom, tell us about some of the products that would be affected there.
Okay, well, living room, this is a carpet stain cleaner. Oh boy, look at this. Warning, burns eyes, skin, lungs. And you have to call poison control if you swallow it. But what's in this stuff that causes that? There's no ingredients listed. The new law is going to change that.
And when will it go into effect?
It's going to go into effect online January of 2021, and on the labels January 2022.
Alan, thank you so much. Really interesting. Again, Alan Bell is an environmental lawyer, health advocate, and author of the book Poison. For more information, you can go to his website, alanbell.me.
ME.
All right.
Correct.
Thank you so much, Alan. Great to see you again.